Good morning, students. Welcome to your e-learning class. This is your mathematics lecture, and today I am going to start Dimas and BODMAS rules. Students, as you know, जो 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस है, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, ये चारों ऑपरेशन अगर एक ही प्रॉब्लम्स में दिए हों तो हम अकॉर्डिंग टू DMAS इसके अकॉर्डिंग प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं। डिमास के अकॉर्डिंग प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम डिवीजन परफॉर्म करेंगे, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर दैट एडिशन, एंड लास्टली वी सब्ट्रैक्ट। लास्टली हम सब्ट्रैक्शन को परफॉर्म करते हैं। वंस मोर, व्हेन ऑल द 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन आर गिवन इन one sum, we should first divide, then multiply, then add, and lastly subtract. In Dimas rule, D stands for division, N stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And as you know, students, when all 4 fundamental operations are given in one sum, we should first divide, then multiply, then add, and lastly we have to subtract. Means अगर एक ही प्रॉब्लम में 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन दिया हो तो हम सबसे पहले डिवीजन परफॉर्म करेंगे, एंड देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, आफ्टर दैट एडिशन, एंड लास्टली सब्ट्रैक्शन को परफॉर्म करते हैं। यही हमारा डिमास रूल है। D stands for division, N stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Let's see some example on this, like 2000 plus 150 divided by 5 multiplied with the 2 and subtracted by 100. Here in this question all 4 operations are used: addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. All 4 operations are used. So according to Dimas, we should first divide, then solution is 2000 plus, when we divide 150 by 5, then what we get? 5 3s are 15 and 0 multiplied with the 2, and this is your step 1, and now step 2. Step 2, division, and after division we perform multiplication. So अब हमें ये परफॉर्म करना है। 9 plus 32 जा 60 minus 100. Again step 3, addition. We have to perform addition. 2060 minus 100, and lastly step 4, that is subtraction. What we get here? We have to Subtract 100 from 2060. What we get? 1960. 1960. So students, this is your Demas rule. And now students, Bodmas rule. When we introduce bracket and off with the Demas rule, it is known as Bodmas rule. Whereas D stands for bracket and denoted by like this, and O is operates same as multiplication, and rest is Demas. D stands for division, M multiplication, A addition and subtraction. The Bodmas rule is form the operation in the following order. At first, we operate the bracket and then off, and after that we operate with the division and then multiplication and then addition, and lastly we subtract. Let's see some example on this. Here off operation is not given. Off operation is not given. So at first we operate the bracket. At first we operate with the bracket. Now 18 5 plus 34 minus 3 multiply 5 plus 2 7. सबसे पहले हम ब्रैकेट को ऑपरेट करेंगे, देन अगर ऑफ होता फिर ऑफ को करते, बट इस क्वेश्चन में ऑफ इज नॉट गिवन. एंड नाउ डिवीजन. सो हम इसे परफॉर्म करेंगे. 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, व्हाट वी गेट? 6 multiplied with the 5 plus 34 minus 3 multiplied with the 7. Bracket, division and then multiplication. We have to perform this and this in this step. 6 5 is 30 plus 34 minus 7 3 is 21. And now addition. This is 64 minus 21, and lastly we perform subtraction. After subtraction, what we get? This is 3 and 4, 43, and this is your required answer. Now this is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.